Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your Payer ABN and ABN code into STP Creator. When you purchase STP Creator or register for a trial, you'll receive an email, which I'm just bringing across here, which looks something like this. There'll be a license file attached. This shows the ABN you've provided and the code here that Namich have issued. I'm going to show you how to enter these details into STP Creator. So just move that aside there. The first thing to do when using STP Creator is to create a new dataset file for the entity that you're going to be reporting on. And what we do is we click this permanent dataset button, and this brings us to this screen. Now the dataset file is a permanent file that's stored on your computer, and it's going to hold all the data that we need for single touch reporting. For example, the STP fields from down here, and the payees, the employees if you like, their names, address, TFN, etc. The dataset file also stores the payer details. That's where the payer name, ABN and ABN code goes. So what we're going to do now is go through the process of creating a new dataset file and then entering the payer ABN and ABN code. We start by clicking this create a new dataset file. This just tells us we need to select, are we using a MYOB file or not? And on this screen, in this example, we won't be using a MYOB file, so I'll just tick that. If not using MYOB, please enter the payroll year. So that field disappears and we get 2019 is our payroll year. That's the location where the license is located, and that's good. So what we need to do is enter our full name and a password that we're going to need to enter each time, and a hint to remind us. Just click OK. Now we're back to this screen, and as you can see, because we're not using MYOB, some of these settings have changed, some of these bits have grayed out. But what we want to just show you is the payer details. So I'll click on Payer, and that brings up this screen. We need to enter our payer information. Now this field does not like punctuation, like commas, full stops, dashes, backslashes. I'll just show you an example. If I put say a question mark there, when you click update, you're going to get a red E there saying there's a problem with that field, so you need to remove that. Need to enter our ABN and branch. Generally, if you don't have a branch, just use one. And I'll just bring this email across. We need that code, so this is where that code gets entered here. So it's, in this case, 667D, doesn't matter uppercase or lowercase, 5CDA B1F5. As you can see, it jumped across as we went. Group ID, if you've got several groups of employees, you can have weekly and fortnightly employees, you can put something in here. But if you hold the mouse there, it just tells you this is optional, the tooltip. I'm not going to put an ID, and just going to click update. So now these payer details are set for this dataset file. When we save this file and reopen it next time, those details will be there. We won't need to re-enter the ABN or the code again. Thanks for watching.